All right, hey, Dave Knight here from 123daytrade.com. How are you? Maybe I caught the tiger by the tail today. I don't know. It's kind of too early to tell. We got in at the 8 o'clock mark. Today's Halloween, if I didn't say that already. 10/31/2019. I'm looking for a 12p move from the highs today. That's usually the overall target on a day that I think can move. The high is 55.59, and that target would be 53.32. So a 12p target today, 100 ticks from where we are right now, looking at 53.33. We're in uncharted territory, in my humble opinion, right now. So it's a matter of, can we bust this before we go back up? Which side wants to win this out? Now, there has been some red bar volume, but I believe it's been stopping volume. I mean, not stopping, been volume of covering volume so far. And this is kind of announcing it right here. And then you see this over here. So you get kind of covering volume going on. It favors the shorts, what I'm getting at. Looking at our overall, this is the hourly chart. Started coming down around, what's that, 4 a.m. And we're looking to bust through this levels down here if it can go. All right, here's our 10-minute chart. It's trying to bust through this area right in here. Like I said, there's really nothing but underneath this. For a long time, we haven't been down here in a long time. So if it can go, there's some room to go do some price discovery is what I'm getting at. It's been a while since we've been down this level. Very violent at 18 last time I went down here. It was at down, the low before that was 21. And then it went down here to 18 and it was very violent coming up. All right, 39 plus 5 is 44. I'm going to pause here. It's either going to run us out, it's going to come down. And this reminds me of why this market is so freaking hard to trade. Will this be once again right on top of the retracement before it heads back down? Your guess is as good as mine. I got involved in it over here at the 8 o'clock mark, and I held on to it as long as I possibly could. I got in right there, right at the 8 o'clock mark. It went down, it comes all the way back up. I was able to hold on into this one, And then we bottomed out here. I don't have a sister, but I guess this is what they would say, you know, equal to kissing your sister. When the market goes to your stop point and then it just stops. And, you know, what can you say? I mean, the market's been down before this. It's been down since 4 a.m. This could be the end of the down move right now, and it's going to go and do some Fibonacci retracements here. There's a lot of room here for Fibonacci's. All right, we'll take a look at it later. I'm going to wait for a high blue bar volume. That's what I have to wait for. Can't just jump in this one as much as I'd like to jump back in. It's this is a market that's proven that it's got some strength right now off the bottom. Wasn't able to bust through here. Went through to my entry point of 47. So, no, it's not worth holding on to this trade. You didn't want to break down. If it was going to break down, honestly, after it did this, because the market does do shit like this. It goes lower than you think and higher than you think it would right at the open. But this is the move that we really needed to see come down, and not this coming back like that. And maybe it could have broke that time, but it hanging out right in this area really puts in a stop to the market. You pretty much really don't know what to think at that point. And that's what you see getting played out right now, is a lot of people that were short coming in at the US Open are going, well, I guess it doesn't want to go. That's what I think. What are your thoughts? Check back with you later. All right, so I finished with 3 trades, 12 ticks. I took a couple. I missed the this move up here. Although I had a line up here, it didn't cross across it, so that I could get onto it underneath it. I'm listening to the impeachment vote that's going on, the impeachment inquiry vote today. I think it's fitting that it's coming on Halloween, right? Who's in control? Who's in control? Certainly not God right now in the Democrat Party, in my humble opinion. So this is what I was looking for. I was looking for one more breakup and then to get in. It didn't. It did not break through here. So it didn't go up that last time, and I didn't see this, and there was no high volume to get involved in it. It did take me out, like we talked about earlier. So then I looked at trying to pick the low, and I was looking at this here, and this is where I attempted the first one, and then I tried one down here against the S2 line on the second time. Let me move that over a little bit, hoping that we could get a 2 to 3p move. I didn't expect that we were going to go, you know, but this would have been a 2p move up to here. So I was looking to get in, you know, I was looking at 1.5, 2, 3, as far as the retracement could go. And I was looking at that point in time, I was looking at basically the target of right here. That would have brought it back to about, let me pull over this one chart. So the Fibonacci retracement would have brought it back to 5442 on this move. This is what I was looking for. on this move here coming off the lows. And here's the move that I didn't catch coming through here. And this move, we can't really say this is 50%. It is 50% now, but it wasn't 50% at the time this particular trade was on. So let me get rid of that Fibonacci and show you what it looked like when I was looking at the Fibonacci retracement based upon this low. So I was looking for the market to get up to here or up even to here. Ideally, I was looking for it to get up into this range a little higher before it come down. So I was believing that we still had some power to go up. And then now we see that the retracement, actually, that was the retracement that I was looking for, the short side after the opening trade. And this is the retracement. And I've got 3 trades on right now. So I've taken 3 shots at this, trying to catch this move coming up. I was hoping once again that we could get to at least this area right here. And depending upon how you look at it, you can look at it either as 38.2 or 61.8, depending upon which way you think the retracement's coming. So this would be a 38.2 retracement coming off the lows, or if you're coming off the highs, it's a 61.8% retracement coming from up here, coming to here, retracement coming off of that. So you can look at it either way. At least that's how I look at it, in my humble opinion. That's going to do it for this trading day for me. Today was Halloween. Once again, I'm listening to the impeachment inquiry crap, and I think it's quite fitting that they're going to take this vote on Halloween. What do you think? Dave Knight here from 123daytrade.com. Thanks for watching. Thank you for being here. Talk to you later. Bye for now.